Inviting paired villa at Sunrise Preserve for annual rental, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, modern kitchen with gas stove and stainless appliances, den/office, open floor plan, large open living area and separate dining area, plus screened lanai with lake view and a 2-car garage. The community offers tennis courts, pickleball courts, a large resort-style swimming pool, and fitness center. This location is ideal as you will be minutes from Siesta Key, Nokomis Beach, and downtown Sarasota. The Legacy walking and biking trail access is close by, as is Costco and the YMCA.